Hello everyone. This video let's play around with a prime field. Let's first delete all of this and we will need delete the tool in here. We'll add some stuff in here like prime field and we need to start the prime field config in the big integer. And we also add on cargo add num big in yeah, for this to work. And std we think we need 1 and 0. Okay, so now let's try access the prime module associated with app. It's like access the prime module associated with us. No, aided app. You create a module variable and we can app as prime field modulus as prime field. Yeah. So now we can try to do something like a power to equal a. Let's see if this correct or not. Assert equal here a power, and we will need to borrow the module in here. Let's see if it equal a. Okay, let's try to run this assert and see if it's gonna return. Yep, it's returned correct. And for anyone that don't remember, the prime field is like a field that like full prime number like 2, 3, 5, yeah, something like that. And now let's try to convert field element to integer. Convert field element to integer in the range of 0 to module minus 1. Okay, we can let 1 equal to big in, big U in, and that's the type of the one, and it would be equal to f1. Want to transform it into the type of big in unit or big in unit define here. So something went wrong here. Begin the tree. I think we add this one. Oh no, that's the wrong one. So we can add yeah. It should be correct now. Here. Oh, maybe let's go back to the old example a little bit. Let's print out A first, just to see what A look like. And do cargo run. Here is a very random, and we can see the module pop, and let's see the A power module. Yeah. Okay, let's moving on to convert few element to element to integer in the range 0 to -1. Yeah. So let what? Let, let 1 with the type of begin between. Yeah. Equal f1 dot. So now let's see like what's one look like. Yeah, that's should be correct, and it also should be equal to num between the 1. Yeah, and so last, let's try to construct few element from arbitrary sequence of bytes. Lead to few I. Okay, let n equal f from left by to top point. I think should be and we borrow the rule to bake and we need to let's recreate the module. This module go to as field and there's an arrow here. We spell the module. Okay, let's try it out. And it should be 0, like if we print out the n. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 0, and it's also like the field 0 as well. There. Okay, let me know if you can have any question and something confusing about the prime field. Please let me know.